Living in a small apartment? These tiny pups are perfect companions. Number 1. Pug small, friendly, and low exercise, great for cozy homes. Number 2. Pekingese regal fluff balls that thrive in tight spaces. Number 3. Chihuahua, tiny size, big personality, ideal indoor buddy. Number 4. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Sweet, calm, and affectionate, perfect lapdog. Number 5. Maltese elegant and gentle, minimal space needed. Number 6. Pomeranian fluffy, playful and compact, pure joy. Number 7. Havanese loving, adaptable, and great for apartment life. Small dogs, big love, even in tiny spaces.